wene ase bango eliokwene kia uchumi ya Kenya ngukinere nanya nabo nigo bagikeire gati ya baria bagendete komochia Omoswada Bw'Echibesa mwaka gw'echiri 2025 noyomo chinga kicho boigo niga ABAKENYA baburi gosoma Omoswada oyo elio mbasiriwa nabo igo korwa ebirengereri biabo asibaganitie amauncheri abe kaokorekana.
The government remains committed to creating a fair, transparent, and sustainable tax system that supports economic growth, digital innovation, and social equity. Towards this goal, the Finance Bill 2026 brings with it massive gains despite the negative criticism being advanced, especially on social media. And from the outset, we want to tell Kenyans, read the bill for yourself. Do not just listen to the negative energies, the misinformation or disinformation that we are seeing that is flooding the social media. Some people saying, oh, we are introducing some of those taxes. It is not true. There is no motor vehicle circulation tax. There is no tax for mitumba. We are not increasing capital gains for rent. There is no new taxation on mobile phones. All of those things are fake news. They are really fake news. And so therefore, people need to understand the finance bill for what it is.